Hello friends, welcome to my channel Katha Manthan. Today I am going to tell you an ICSC short story Salvatore. Introduction of the story. Salvatore is a love story of a young couple who are never united. The hero of this story, Salvatore, is a common type, fisherman's son, who toils hard for earning a living. As a boy, he rides on a waves and climbs the cliff to jump down into the sea with joyful sound. He is madly in love with a pretty girl of Grand Marina. They are affianced, but they can't be in wedlock. Till such time Salvatore completes period of conscription into military service. Unbearable with the pain of temporary separation, Salvatore weeps like a child before leaving as a sailor for King Victor Emmanuel's Royal Navy. In a battleship among the strangers, he constantly remembers his fiancée and falls terribly homesick. His passionate heart constantly bleeds for his sweetheart. He falls ill with some strange ailments and is hospitalized for months together. His mysterious ailment is finally diagnosed as a special type of rheumatism, which renders him unfit for naval service. Salvatore feels happy as he could go home, meet her beloved, and be happy in life. However, he is faced with stark reality when on returning he meets the girl who flatly refuses to marry a person like him who is unable to earn enough sustenance. Finally, he marries another girl, purchases a boat and a vineyard with her monetary support, becomes a hefty man and father of two sons. His only physical problem is period attack of rheumatism, which temporarily renders him inactive, and his only emotional problem is his old flame, whose memory hurt him. Plot of the story. Salvatore has a comprehensive and tightly printed plot in three segments, such as the beginning, when Salvatore falls in love, the middle segment, when he falls ill and returns home from military service, and the concluding segment, when he marries Ashanta, somewhat establishes himself and lives a family life with wife and two sons. There is not much twists and turns of events as well as ambiguity in the plot of the story. The plot is straightforward and the story proceeds lucidly. Somerset Maugham, the author, is infatuated in the very first row of second-raters, and skill in handling plot has been compared by the critics in the manner of Gay v. Mospent, with shortcomings of lyrical quality, small vocabulary, and little use of metaphor. The genre of the plot of the story is novel-like, with love story of couple never going ever to be united, and it corresponds fully to the boundaries of this genre. Somerset Maugham has never allowed the plot of Salvatore to lose its way amidst mysticism and complexities. The plot is plain, simple, lucid, and forthcoming. Theme of the story. Salvatore is an interesting story when the author voices his dissatisfaction with the fact for most people the things spoken about oneself are more important than the man himself. The attributed remarks are more eloquent than the actual person. This causes lots of difficulties and misunderstanding, which ruins the hopes, lives, and aspirations of the person concerned. We can easily draw the message of the author, who hints that beauty is defined not by inner characteristics but by his inner world. This consistently reminds the reader about the controlling concept of the novel. More than often, mankind forgets about morals and inner world of every person, and that is much higher than one's outer feature. Or in other words, the only valuable quality is much more than many unimportant and unnecessary ones. Friends, let's discuss few question answers regarding the plot of the story. Critically analyze the story Salvatore. This story is titled Salvatore, which is quite appropriate as entire story revolves around the hero of the story, namely Salvatore. Salvatore is the story which styled in a clear and economic style. The story is of genre of a novel since it describes a love story of a couple never going to be together. Hence it fully corresponds to genre of a novel and its boundaries thereof. It is a story about a usual fisherman's son who returns from military service and a mysterious ailment, a peculiar type of rheumatism, and bluntly rejected by his fiancée. He resumes life after that refusal with another girl, Ashanta. When he marries, but the pain of refusal remains in his heart. The style adopted by the author is more looking than colloquial, and the words used of fiance, too long, ailment, consent, etc. bear testimony to this observation. The story delivers message clear and emphatic. Maugham does not try to conceal it more than required, which is specially of Maugham's writing. He never shrouds his message with puns, metaphor, or jugglery words. The message is that the beauty of the man is defined not by inner characteristics but by his inner world. More than often, mankind forgets about morals and inner world of every person, which is much loftier than the person's outer features. Otherwise speaking, the only valuable thing should be the quality of a person, which should be placed higher than many unimportant and unnecessary ones. Salvatore possesses one such quality, his inherent goodness. He adjusts to the situation, marries on an ugly looking girl, but never complains. Rather, he is contented with his lot and lives life happily thereafter. Describe the circumstances under which Salvatore could not marry his fiancée. Salvatore is a young boy of 15, madly in love with a pretty girl who lives with her parents on Grande Marina. Though engaged, they just awaited completion of Salvatore's military service. With a heavy heart and wet eyes, Salvatore bids adieu to his fiancée and goes to join King Emmanuel's battleship. Salvatore's battleship takes him Spezia, Venice, Bari, and China. While at China, Salvatore develops a mysterious ailment which is diagnosed as rheumatic, spends months in hospital and finally discharged from further. Bad news travel faster. Even before Salvatore could land in his hometown, the news of his illness reached Grande Marina. Salvatore's fiancée flatly and bluntly refuses to enter into wedlock with him. She says that she cannot marry a man who could never be fit, strong, and hardworking ever, and would not be able to support her. Dejected and heartbroken, Salvatore returns home and weeps childishly on his mother's bosom. But the inner goodness in him prevents him to utter any harsh word to his fiancée, whom he loves so intensely. Resigned to his own fate, he starts his daily course in his father's vineyard, but the memory of his lost love, is treasured in the secret chamber of his mind.